Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today I did a little different way of reading, but again it's a pick of card. I'm not saying that it's not a pick a card, but I'm not going to do the way I do with my tarot and all. So this is card 1. I shall show in close up card 1, and this is card 2. So I shall give you all a couple of seconds to select your card, and then we shall go for the reading. Okay, so this is your affirmation for today. I teach people how to treat me. So this will be 11 times or 21 times today. You will say, I teach people how to treat me. But now let's see what the cards are in store for you. It's a beautiful, beautiful cards. Gratitude and letting go. I would say, I decided I will do an abundance reading, but not abundance only with money, but abundance with everything. Now when I see the Lord Shiva's card letting go, I feel you have a lot of hurt, you have a lot of stress, you have a lot of anger inside you. Let go of it, because only when you let go of it and surrender to the universe, you will attract amazing beautiful energies around you. So do that, just leave it to the divine and just surrender it in his feet and see the beautiful transformation that will happen in your life, and you'll be really happy to see the transformation happening. Now coming to the next card, which is gratitude. It just says, fill me with gratitude. I always believe in having gratitude in life. I always tell people, if we don't have gratitude, then life is not worth living at all. So today I feel you should wear something in green, because somewhere the goddess herself has come in a green sari. So wear something in green. Also, I would suggest, this rose is pulling me as if she wants you to offer a flower. So any flower from your garden also you can offer her, but wear something in green, and if possible make some prasad for her, give it to her, and thank her for always blessing you with abundance in all aspects of life. Tell her there are a lot of people out there who don't even have the happiness that I have, and I thank you for that. And start your day with that gratitude, and I'm sure things will fall in place. Now let's see what is the affirmation for card 2 members. I am courageous and powerful. So as I said, 21 times you will chant, I am courageous and powerful. This will be your chant or the affirmation for today. Let's see what the cards are coming. Another beautiful card. Energetic clearing. Maybe you need to again see, both the cards somewhere are just giving the same meaning. They are saying that there has to be a cleaning which has to be done, their clearing has to be done, and it is saying that there's some energy which is pulling you back. If you see here, it says that let go of your fear and attachments. In fact, letting go card was also for that. So maybe today, whether you're taking card 1 or card 2, the cards just say let go of your anger, let go of your emotions, let go of everything that you feel is troubling you and hurting you, and you will easily, that is why the ease card has come, you will easily receive the blessings of the divine, and you will easily receive the blessings of this beautiful, beautiful lady giving you a lot of abundance. Now I would suggest wear something in red today, and I don't know, today the flowers are only calling me. So if you have a lotus, offer her a lotus, or any white flower will also do, but wear something in red today. Also today, if possible, those who got card 2, offer her some fruit, not prasad as in any sweet, some fruit, keep the fruit for her. And both of you, both the people, card 1 and card 2, after doing your affirmation or the chanting which I said in the beginning of the card, just chant Om Mahalakshmi Namaha 108 times, because somewhere for both of you, that for both the cards, Lakshmi ji has been very prominent. So Om Mahalakshmi Namaha 108 times. And those who are offering her prasad, please have that prasad, and those who are offering her the fruit, you can also have that fruit, and start your day in a blessed day. So hope you all have an abundant and a happy day. God bless you all. Thank you.